Hello, Bill and Christine here with B-Bar-C Adventures, bringing you another Colorado high country trail ride. This ride is on the Twin Sisters Trail near Silverton, Colorado, with the trailhead near Little Molas Lake. The Twin Sisters Trail begins at an altitude of 10,891 feet and ascends to just over 12,100 feet at its terminal 10.2 miles away. The Twin Sisters Trail lies in the San Juan National Forest and is a multi-use trail, which means you will not only have equestrians, but you will have hikers, backpackers, and mountain bikers. A word about our trip here today. We did have somewhat heavy mountain bike traffic, but without exception, everybody we met was extremely courteous, and they were very well aware that horses have the right of way. Overall, it was a good experience with the mountain bikers. We feel one of the most striking features of the Twin Sisters Trail are its sweeping vistas. We have small timbered sections and then areas of grasslands and wildflowers, all at or above timberline. This sweeping vista feature is due primarily to an event that happened in 1879, and that was one of the largest wildfires in Colorado history, which is known to this day as the Lime Creek Burn. The Lime Creek Burn took over 26,000 acres and 150 million board feet of timber. Reforestation efforts began in 1911 and continue to this day. The historians do all agree that the Lime Creek Burn was a man-set forest fire, but the actual persons or people that set it is in disagreement. For many years, we were told it was the Ute Indians that were trying to drive out invading prospectors and miners. And later it's come to light that maybe it was others that set the fire to help damage the reputation of the Utes and remove them from the San Juan Mountains. Christine and I hope that you will sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful Colorado high country trail that we present here. The segment background music is an original composition by my brother Michael David Dean called Escalante Canyon, which was inspired by another one of our trail rides. If you are enjoying this video, we ask that you please hit that YouTube like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Just ride on up the trail. Get up there, buddy. Get up there, buddy. Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Shy. The trail ascends from the parking lot to an elevation of 11,600 feet along the southwestern buttress of Grand Turk Peak. From there, it descends into a saddle which separates Bear Creek to the north and North Lime Creek to the south. From this point, the trail traverses along the south face of the Twin Sisters Peaks until it reaches its end at the Rico Silverton Trail, reaching an elevation of 12,100 feet. We rode this trail on the National Day of the Dog, so it's quite appropriate that we snapped a picture here of our Catahoula Ruth. After 7.5 miles, we noticed the rapid cloud buildup off to the west and southwest, and thinking about the Bear Ridge a mile from the trailhead, which we would have to come back over, we decided it was time to have lunch, turn around, call it a good ride, and head back to the truck. We came across this small tributary of West Lime Creek and decided this was a good place to give the horses a well-earned drink of water. And with faint sounds of rolling thunder off in the distance on the other side of Engineer Mountain, we decided that it would be wise to go ahead and hot-foot it on out of here, so to speak, get back over that bald ridge before the rain and lightning caught us. Can you get any there? There's one pool right up there if I could get him on it. Shot. I don't know. Get up right there. No, right there. Get. Okay, there you go. Whoa. Right there. buddy. Walk. You need to try to go first. Hmm? I don't know. I'm shy. Good girl.